Progressive Auto Insurance Explained 2025. In this video, I'm going to explain how Progressive Auto Insurance works in 2025 and what makes it popular. Progressive offers various types of coverage, including liability, collision, comprehensive, and uninsured motorist protection. You can customize your policy based on your needs. One of their standout features is Snapshot, a usage based program that tracks your driving habits to provide personalized discounts. Safe drivers can save a lot on premiums. Progressive also offers multiple discounts like multi-policy, good driver, and good student discounts, making their rates competitive. Their website and mobile app allows you to get quotes quickly, manage your policy, and file claims conveniently. In 2025, they continue to expand coverage options for gig economy drivers like rideshare insurance for Uber and Lyft. Customer service is available 24/7 and claims processing is mostly digital, making it faster and easier to handle. Roadside assistance is included with many policies providing towing and lockout services. Overall, Progressive remains a solid choice for drivers wanting flexible coverage and tech-friendly discounts. And that's Progressive Auto Insurance Explained in 2025.